Have you been thinking about downsizing lately? Maybe the kids have moved out and now you're walking past empty rooms every day. Maybe the yard work and upkeep just feel like too much. Or maybe you're ready to tap into that equity in your home and put it to better use. Whether that's boosting retirement savings, traveling, or just simplifying your life. Whatever the reason, if the home you're living in is no longer fitting or suiting the life you're living, you're not alone. Because let's face it, you're not just moving, you're sorting through years, sometimes decades of memories. Deciding what to take, what to part with can feel like a full-time job. And even once you've chosen a new home, figuring out where everything goes can just be just as stressful. But here's the good news. When you move into a more accommodating space, you're not taking everything. You're taking the best pieces, the best memories, the things that truly mattered. And today I want to share a few simple calming strategies to take the anxiety out of downsizing and help you move forward with confidence. So, number 1 tip, define what's important. Having a checklist and deciding on your non-negotiables, your must-haves. That might be your favorite reading chair, a family heirloom table, or the sofa you relax on every night. Knowing what's essential before you even start packing or shopping for your next place. Number 2, take only the furniture that truly fits the space you're living in. Not only cutting down on space, you're creating flow. In a smaller home, every piece needs to work with the space. Avoid oversized grand pieces. Choose pieces that allow for conversation without needing to raise your voice, and keep the furniture around the same height to make the space feel balanced and connected. Number 3, pick one focal piece per room that is for your artwork. Something meaningful, something calming. Don't hang it too high, just eye level is right. And remember, only the best comes with you. Number 4, accessories. Accessories hold your memories. This is also the time to let go of what's broken, what you've outgrown, or what's no longer relevant in your life. You're not losing history, you're curating the best parts to bring forward. My 5th tip to you is lighting. Lighting changes everything, so think beyond ceiling lights, use directional lighting, recessed lamps, and even mirrors to brighten a room that will create warmth and help your new space feel open and inviting. Downsizing is more than just moving. It's emotional. It's a big change. But with a little sorting, a bit of planning, and the right support, it doesn't have to be stressful. And what I've seen again and again is this. The moment you walk into your new home, it's the right-sized home, you breathe easier, you feel lighter, you've brought the best with you, and you've made the space for what's next. If you're thinking about downsizing or just don't know where to start, let's have a conversation. I'm here to help you guide you through every step of the way. If you're thinking about downsizing, let's talk. Schedule a free consultation.